My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Big Brother Naija double wahala season housemate wey dey call Deeone, im don come out come drag Phyna again over her recent statement for her podcast. And also Big Brother Naija don release another season wey dey come out this month. And lastly, Queen wey be say get engaged yesterday, she continue to dey press her baby daddy for neck. So today Biggie come out come and make announcement for social media say Big Brother Naija dey come very soon. They come out come show us this picture as where you dey see for the screen. So come say mirror mirror, who's Biggie looking for? Dey look you see say for the mirror you dey see one woman for there, outside the mirror you dey see a man. So people come dey ask what's popping. So Biggie come say last season Biggie asked for the All Stars. This time he has his eyes set on something different. What could it be this time around? So Big Brother Naija fans, they use ear Biggie. They like Big Brother so much, especially Big Brother Naija. So a lot of people don't speculate a lot of things. Some they ask to see whether they won't start Big Brother Naija All Stars season 2. Why others they complain to say the country hard, to make they forget about Big Brother, but we concentrate on the country and the economy. Others they complain to say Big Brother don't change the show to the rich man show. Say nowadays it can't be as if not only the rich people they invite go there, they not create room again for poor people. They go invite the rich go Big Brother house, then they go they wait for the poor to vote for them. Should be say no matter how hard this country be, even if Big Brother not even show safe, even if Big Brother say they won't end their show, they don't want to be Big Brother again, the economy not go still change. All of us know the truth when it comes to Nigeria. My mind dey tell me to say Big Brother won't bring people where be say no dey popular for different seasons. Now my own opinion on which I just dey feel. I just dey feel say na people wey be say no dey popular for different seasons. Where be say they're not too, where they first remove self from the house. Maybe now those ones Big won't bring come back, take give them fame. Who knows? It might be another twist. With Big Brother, there's always a twist. But whichever one wey be say they won't bring, if na celebrity version or anyone, maybe who knows? So people will say maybe na musicians, he won't bring Davido, Burna Boy, the Ashake. But I'm not sure. But whatever it is, it seems to be coming out this March. This March obviously we enter. So and before I forget, happy new month to everybody. I did so happy to see all of una for years. So onto Queen matter with her baby daddy. Yesterday, Queen engaged her long time boyfriend engage her, and the thing don't blow up internet. Come be as if the girl scatter internet, does her yeah, she just waka come out. Today again, she come out, come post the engagement ring. She can't tell us something a diamond, now the guy use take engage her. So she can't come out, can't say, my fiance said, my dear Queen, is diamonds for you, babe. When I asked why he spent so much, he replied, because you mean the world to me. As Pastor Jerry Eze would ask, how will you shout? Well, I've lost my voice. I can't shout anymore. Instead, I'm filled with gratitude and thankfulness to God. To my dear husband to be, as I am King David, I vow to love you with the depth and devotion of a true Akwa Ibom woman to her husband. You sign up for boundless love. Till the wheels fall off, come put 3 love emoji. When she dey smile, I know say the choke Lord Lamba, be na Lambo. I don't know the one with the answer. So according to the Lord Lambo, now the guy they complain to say he no want another man to be pikin to be father to a child, and he also want him mama and his sister to take care of the pikin. Unlike Queen, where be say go find nanny, we can't neglect the pikin. Another thing be say as the girl don't dey engage, the man they claim to say as she don't dey engage, say she not gonna get time for their pikin anymore. And the way the man they complain online yesterday, he come out to say Nigerians they do pity, say na God na go be witness. Wait, he write for his he contact person can say, and God is my witness. I know Nigerians always listing for pity card. The Queen where engaged, the girl never talk anything about you. She never insult you once online. Now you come online, they find pity. You can't they won't push her. This guy in a very somehow person. Now God save Queen from this guy, honestly. Well, congratulations to her anyways, and her handsome biomedical husband wey no get dada. So onto the one matters, we all know the one and Phyna they fight where we last year. It can't be as if the fight don't settle down, but it's as if the insult where Phyna insult the one that last year, where say she call her magege, the thing still they pain the guy for a belle. So he can't come out, can't go find a podcast where be say Phyna do. This one not be even recent one. He can't go cut out one place for inside. Can't say me user take drag the girl. So according to what Phyna talk for that particular podcast, Phyna they try to explain to say girls wey be say dey always wear bra and pants dey go do con ten t, say dem dey do con ten t, say dem dey open their body on air. She just dey try to call them out for the podcast. So the one come drop that video, come go bring her the video wey Phyna do advert, wey be say she do advert for one organic cream company like that, wey be say she wear bikini dey inside shower dey shake head. So the guy come out, come dey tell her say make she practice wetin she preach, no be wetin she go come online finish come talk another thing, then she go do that thing wey be say she don castigate. So make una lis ten to wetin Phyna talk.
See on Instagram, girls go say na content that they do. They wear brazier, you they wear pants for camera.
A few moments later.
So as he make that statement finish, as he drop this video finish, he come under, come say this month what you preach. Okay, he say this month practice what you preach. Happy new month. Now wetin take end am. So people come dey comment under that thing. They come everybody they get something to talk about them. Some they talk say when person not get money, na that time the person they always come out, they can give unsolicited advice. Say now when you not get money to afford certain things, you go dey judge people. But once you get the money to afford them, you go realize. So say that when you dey judge, now wait you really want do before. So make we just see some of the comments. Some people can say, sense far from this girl. You wear go BBN, go they wear bra and pants for millions of people to see. Come put laughing emoji. Under one can say, find her for me. The next one say, but she no wear brazier for camera now. Na bikini she wear. Another one say, anything she speaks against is what she truly wants for herself. We don't see her finish. Whenever she says this is bad, that is what she wants. She always condemns the thing she loves so much. She's not to be trusted. You know, say person wey be say they talk too much, you always forget certain things wey be say you don't talk. You no go even know when you take lie, when you take talk certain things, you don't remember again, especially when you be talkative. So now so it just be. That's why I always call that Phyna to say she need to learn to the check the things wey be say she talk, because she not go know the one wey be say she go talk, wey be say people go remember, they'll go root am out again, call use and take drag her. So sometimes before you talk certain things, reason am well. And for the one on the other hand, the one I don't know wetin be obsession with Phyna this period, because all of a sudden the girl don't even move on. She not even remember saying they exist, but he still keep her for mind. She saw this time. Man, not they carry something for mind like that. But I don't know wetin be the one problem. Oh. Well, Big Brother go soon start and everybody go move on to new fave, new everything. The one go find another person where be say him go drag for the new season. So maybe him go have mercy on Phyna and free her neck. Una take care. Una bye.